Tigers. What are tigers? What are tigers? The tiger, Panthera tigris, is the largest extant cat species and a member of genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on orange-brown fur with lighter underside. It is an apex predator, primarily preying on ungulates such as deer and wild boar. It is territorial and generally a solitary but social predator. Facts about tigers. Tigers are the largest cat species in the world and third largest carnivore on land. Only polar bear and brown bears are larger than them. Tigers are only cat species that are completely striped. They can even have stripes on their skin. Tigers can imitate the call of other animals. Tigers cannot purr. Tigers rarely roar and are humble towards group. A punch of tiger may kill you. About tigers. Tiger's tail is about 3 feet long and helps them balance when they make tight turns. Unlike most big cats, tigers are powerful swimmers. You can hear tigers roar from up to 2 miles away. Tigers' vocalizations include roaring, growling, hissing, moaning, and chuffing. Tiger's hind legs are longer than its front legs, giving them ability to leap forward 20 to 30 feet in one jump. Tigers have large padded feet that make easier them to silently stalk their prey. Cubs and ambush. When tiger cubs are born, they drink mother's milk to survive. But when they have grown a little and are between 6 to 8 weeks old, they can eat regular food too. By the time they are 6 months old, they don't need milk anymore. Just like when you were first born, the tiger cubs need their mother to take care of them. But unlike you, they can't see anything when they come into the world because they are blind. It will take about 2 weeks before they can see. A group of tigers are called ambush. They prefer to hunt by ambush. Some of facts. Tigers can mate with the other big cats. Tigers have antiseptic saliva. Tigers can sprint over 60 km per hour. Tigers are solitary creatures. Tigers do not normally view humans as prey. Tigers are divided into 9 types. 9 subspecies: Bengal or Indian tiger, Siberian or Amur tiger, Sumatran tiger, Malayan tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, South China tiger, Javan tiger extinct, Bali tiger extinct, Caspian tiger extinct. Bengal tiger, found in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan. The Bengal tiger is the most common tiger seen in the wild. Length of male, including its tail, 270 to 310 cm. Length of female range from 240 to 265 cm. Weight of males range from 175 to 260 kg. The weight of females range from 100 to 181 kg. At approximately 4 inches long, the Bengal tiger has the largest canine teeth of any living cat. Indo-Chinese tiger, found in Cambodia, China, Laos, Burma, Thailand and Vietnam. These tigers are smaller and darker than Bengal tigers. Males weight range from 150 to 190 kg. Females weight range from 110 to 140 kg. Almost 3/4 of the tigers have been killed to provide stock for Chinese pharmacies. Malayan tiger, found in southern part of Malay Peninsula. The Malayan tiger is the second smallest of the tiger subspecies. The Malayan tiger has an orange-colored body covered with black stripes. Malayan tiger is the national icon of Malaysia. The weight of males is averaging about 120 kg. The weight of females about 100 kg. Sumatran tigers, found only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra and is critically endangered. It is the smallest of all living subspecies. The males weigh between 100 and 140 kg. females weigh between 75 to 110 kg. It is the small of all tiger subspecies. It is the smallest subspecies of tiger. The existence of large predator like Sumatran tigers, the Siberian or Amur tiger, found in Amur, Uzuri region of Pryarsky Kharai and Khabarovsk in far eastern Siberia. The Siberian tigers are distinguishable by their striped fur, similar to people's unique fingerprints. No two tigers have same striped pattern. Body length of males is 190 to 230 cm, plus of tail is about 60 to 110 cm. Body length of females is 160 to 180 cm. Heaviest tigers are Siberian tigers is recorded as 384 kg. It is the largest subspecies of tiger. Found only in the region of South China. Listed as one of the 10 most endangered animals in the world. Length about 2.2 meter to 2.6 cm. Males weigh about 127 to 177 kilogram. Females weigh about 100 to 180 kilogram. Their small size allows them to easily move through the dense jungles they inhabit. It is the smallest subspecies of tiger. Extinct species. Some species are even extinct. The Javan tiger once roamed the Indonesian island of Java. The last one was seen in 1972 and now it's believed to be extinct. The Caspian tiger once ranged from Turkey to Central Asia, including Iran, Mongolia, Central Russia. They were extinct in 1950s. The Bali tiger existed on the island of Bali. The last one was killed in 1937. No, there are no existing photo of a living Bali tiger. Bali tiger. Bali tiger was limited to the Indonesian island of Bali. Weight of 90 to 100 kilogram in males. Weight of 60 to 80 kilograms in females. The last Bali tiger, an adult female, is thought to have been killed at Sumbar-Kima, West Bali on 27 September 1937. That's about the weight of average male mastiff dog. There is no Bali tiger in captivity. Their fur was dark orange with only few stripes and they had white fur on their stomach. Caspian tiger. They were also known as Hyrcanian tiger or Turan tiger. They were very large tigers that lived on the continent of Asia. Was found in west and south of the Caspian Sea, west through Central Asia. Biggest males weigh a little over 550 pounds, which is the same about and as a black bear. Javan tiger. The Javan tiger was a population of Panthera tigris sundaica, which lived in Indonesian island of Java and has been recorded until mid-1970s. It was under to extinction and its natural habitat converted for human use. It was one of the 3 populations in Sunda Islands. Females weighed from 75 to 115 kg. Males weighed 100 to 140 kg. Hybrids. Hybrid offspring of parents that they differ in generally determined traits. The parents may be different species, gender or rare families. Color variants in tiger. Like hybrids in tigers, there are also color variants in them. There are many different color variants in all animals, but in tigers there are only few. The main 4 of them are white tigers, a variant of Bengal tiger; golden tabby tiger, same like Bengal tigers but bigger than them in size; Maltese blue tiger, first found in Fujian province, China; black tiger, they are due to the physiomelanism. White tiger. So white tiger is a Bengal tiger. It is not a species or subspecies of tiger as some people think. It has a creamy white coat, blue eyes and grey brown colored stripes. Pretty beautiful. Like all tigers, they used to live in the wild in Asia, particularly in countries like India. Now though they lived in captivity, which helps keep them protected. Protected. They can grow to be more than 10 feet long. They they like living in forests and grassy areas, and their stripes help give them some camouflage. White tigers can weigh up to around 570 pounds, which is little more than the weight of two giant pandas. White tigers live from 10 to 20 years. They can run quite fast, around 60 miles per hour. Golden tabby tigers. Golden tabby tigers have light gold fur, pale legs, and faint orange stripes. There are extremely few golden tabby tigers in captivity, around 30 in all. Both white and golden tabby tigers tend to be larger than average Bengal tiger. Maltese blue tiger, one of the world's most famous cryptid Aedes maltese, or the blue tiger, was first sighted in China a century ago. It is claimed in the inhabited the region of Fujian province, China. Sightings of Maltese tigers in Korea and Burma have also been reported. Below, black tiger. A black tiger is a rare color variant of tiger and is not a distinct species or geographic subspecies. There are reports of and one painting, now lost, of pure black non-striped tigers, true melanistic tigers. Most black mammals are due to the non-agouti mutation. So-called black tigers are due to pseudomelanism. Pseudomelanistic tigers have three stripes so close together that their tawny background is barely visible between stripes. Pseudomelanistic tigers exist and can be seen in the wild and in the zoos. Such tigers are said to be getting more common due to inbreeding. Liger. Both the combination of both female tiger and male lion is called hybrid tiger or liger. Ligers are typically between 10 to 12 feet in length and can between 800 to 1000 pounds. Tiger is a hybrid of male tiger and a female lion and is less common than the liger, a hybrid of male lion and female tiger. Tiger's genome includes genetic components of both parents, thus they can exhibit visible characteristics of from both parents. They have both spots from the mother and stripes from the father. Any male tiger may have shorter and less noticeable than lion's mane and is closer in type to ruff of a male tiger. Liger is the hybrid offspring of a male lion and a female liger. In according to Handane's rule, male tigers and ligers are sterile. T-liger is a hybrid cross between male tiger, Panthera tigris, and a ligerus, which is hybrid offspring of male lion and female tiger. And world's first T-ligers were born on 16 August 2007 at the Gerald Wayne Interactive Zoological Park in Vinewood, Oklahoma, America. Litigan is a rare second generation of hybrid from a female tiger. A hybrid between male tiger and a female lion and a male lion, specifically in an Asiatic lion. Habitat of tigers. Tigers are found in amazingly diverse habitats: rainforests, grasslands, savannas, and even mangrove swamps. Unfortunately, 93% of historical tiger lands have been disappeared, primarily because of expanding human activity. Saving tigers means saving forests that are vital to health of the planet. Prey of tiger. Diet. Tiger may consume up to 40 kg of meat at once. It is estimated that every tiger consumes about 50 deer-sized animals each year and one per week. Tigers eat variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves. However, integral components of the diet, large body prey weighing about 20 kgs or larger than as most deer species, big cows, horses, buffaloes and goats. Occasionally, they may consume tapirs, elephants, rhinoceros, calves, bear species, leopards and Asiatic wild dogs, bear species. Conservation of tigers. Protect tigers and their habitat, build capacity in range stages, reduce human-tiger conflict, promote tiger-friendly policies, monitor tiger numbers, population trends, and no threats to tigers and their habitats. Number remaining in the wild around 3,890. International Tigers Day, July 29. Global Tigers Day, often called the International Tigers Day, is an annual celebration to raise awareness for tiger conservation and held annually on 29 July. It was first created in 2010 at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit. The goal of the day is to promote global system for protecting natural habitats of tiger and to raise awareness, public awareness to and support for tiger conservation issues. July 29, International Tigers Day. When we protect tigers, we protect ourselves. When we protect tigers, we protect ourselves. Save tigers, save forests, save earth. We can help by taking action to save tiger forests. Thank you.